Welcome to Sarah's Teaching Prayers. Today we learn about vowels and consonants. First, read with me. ABC phonics song. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Now we divide the alphabets in two parts. One part is vowels and the other part is consonant. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And all other alphabets are consonants. And all other alphabets are consonants. Now sing with me vowels and their sounds. A, E, I, E, O, U, A. A, E, I, E, O, U, A. It's time to read consonants and their sounds. B, B, C, K, D, D, F, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Students, do you know about the magical alphabet, which is consonant as well as a vowel? That alphabet is Y, and its vowel sounds are E, I, E, E, I, E. Y says E, I, E. Now it's assessment time. Please tell me which are the vowels and which is the magical vowel. If you like, please share and subscribe.